first thing that we're doing this morning on day, what did we determine it was day 8?
Well, we did the 3 and the 5 yesterday, so was it 4 and the 5?
House of Waterford. Tour of Waterford Crystal.
The workings of the club were built were made back in 1760 by a local man called William Madden. We inherited it when we were given it in the early 90s. It was in the original wooden case and it had kind of seen better days.
Just show it behind you there as well, okay? Okay, come on in everybody. Second one.
Up on the platform, my right hand side, the craftsman, he's just connected what you call a billet of crystal. This is a solid big tube. Now, what he's making is a big vase, and because it's so big, there's a machine out the back that's actually weighing out the amount of crystal that's needed to make the piece. By the time the machine actually poured it out, it had cooled down too much for him to actually use. Both craftsmen are using handheld wooden tools to shape it. Now the craftsman on the left, he has a very short window, he's making a small piece. So he has to get the shape on it right and down into the mould real quick because the crystal cools down so fast. The craftsman on the right hand side, his crystal will cool down too quick, but he'll put it back into the furnace to heat it back up. If it cools down too much, it starts to get a crust on the outside. But the only thing holding it on to the blow line right now is heat. So if he doesn't get it done soon, the whole lot will drop off. Okay, I've seen it before. This area here is quality control. What you can see the plastic doing down on the left hand side, that piece of crystal that was sticking above the top of the mold, this is what he's removing. So he's
Air Lingus College football class. Get this gentleman.
There are different types of... Well, these can be cut by multiple cuts.
You have some automation.
All the different patterns that we do, and I just told you there are hundreds. They have to know every single one of them because they don't know what's coming their way next. Like the one David's doing here, this takes 5 different wheels, and he'll cut whatever he can. He can pass it to Darren. Darren can
Don't touch it. Memorial. And the showroom, just huge. Tammy's worn out. So it's neat piece. The reflections make it hard to see.
But there are 3-day camel ride from where you go in. And you might never find your way back out. What we're going to do first.
Look at that. I don't see tapestries. I see a lot of paintings though. Here. Oh, let me get. That's a big toilet. Yeesh. We are in downtown Kilkenny. It's a medieval little village.
They have ghost tours and they have the witch on their room.
Oh, nice. We probably don't have enough time for that. But, so yeah, I think it's down this way. We'll check it out. So this used to be a witch's house apparently, and it is now an inn bar that serves food. We stopped by. They have like the Harry Potter moving portrait going. We want to try to get on one of those, but we're not sure on time, but we'll see what happens. We're walking back up towards the castle to see if we can actually get on one of those tours.